Okay, I think we're going to make a start. So my name's Lee Bird and I work for an organisation called Alstom. What I do there is I am the Learning and Development Manager that looks after all of our apprenticeship programs that we have in our services division. So I'm just going to go through and tell you a little bit about what Alstom does and then tell you a little bit about our apprenticeship programs as well. Okay, so who are Alstom? We are the global leader in the transportation sector. We are only we're second biggest maintainer and builder of trains, only second to the Chinese Rail Corporation. So if you travelled here by train today, then you would have probably been on one of our trains. And we have a mission. Our mission is to try and make transport more sustainable in order to try and help countries like the UK be able to meet its obligations around climate change. So you can see on the slide there some of the things that we do. So we build trains, we design and build trains. They could be locomotives, they could be mainline rolling stock trains, they could be underground metro monorail trains as well. We also then service those trains. And we also spend a lot of time designing and installing signalling systems on the infrastructure as well. So we are a global organisation, so we've got around 75,000 employees around the world, of which 17,500 are engineers. And you can see there we partner with over 300 cities over the world. And there's about 150,000 of our vehicles in commercial service today. The next map just gives you an idea of where we are in the world. So Alstom is a French company, so you would naturally think that most of our employees are based in Europe, but we are dotted all around the world. So it really would be joining a global company. A little bit more information about the areas that we work in. So down the left-hand side you can see rolling stock and components, and I've touched on some of these already, so high-speed trains, metro, e-bus, monorail. In the middle you've got our digital and integrated systems, so this is things like signalling, telecom, cyber security and other kind of solutions. And then down the right-hand side you've got services, which is our maintenance and operations, modernisation, overhaul of trains, etc. So more importantly, what do we do in the UK? And what apprenticeships do we offer? So we have a research, design and manufacturing facility in Derby, which is a little way from here, but we do have that there, and that is a global centre of excellence. It's one of the largest train manufacturing facilities in Europe, and it is the only place in the UK where we can design, manufacture and test new trains. So other companies, our competitors, do build trains in the UK, but they are unable to do all of those things. So few apprenticeships that we do there, and I must say that any apprenticeships that you see up here could technically be offered anywhere else in the UK as well. So level 3 engineering fitter we've got up there, our degree apprenticeship, supply chain professional, and our level 3 HSE health and safety practitioner apprenticeship as well. And in maintenance, so some of you may recognise one of the trains up here in the top corner. So this is the new Elizabeth line train. So once we've built the train, our customers, which tend to be the people that run the trains, that operate the trains, then often ask us and contract with us to then keep that train in service. So again, I say anyone that's been on a train today or any other time has probably been on a train that's been maintained by one of our technicians. And the apprenticeship opportunities we have in that area, so level 3 maintenance technician, you've got level 3 engineering fitter, paint technician, business admin, and then finally we have a degree post-level 7, post-degree level 7 apprenticeship in sustainability as well. As I say, this is just a snapshot. They do change from year to year. And then finally, digital and integrated systems. So this is around the digitalisation of the railway, the upgrading of the signalling systems. And again, we have a number of apprenticeships from level 3 to level 7 that you can see there. So signalling and testers, finance, project management, quantity surveyor, signalling engineering and product management at those locations this year. So a little bit about our apprentices and who they are. So we ask all our apprentices once they join us to commit to some of these things on here. So always putting safety at the forefront of everything that we do. Proud to be Alstom employees, the future of our organisation, ambassadors for the industry. With diversity, be motivated, customer focused and learn more than they need to do the job. So if that's something that you think you can be, then we're interested in hearing from you. Just some stats around our apprenticeships. So we work with over 24 colleges and providers and universities across the UK. We have a talent pipeline of over 100 apprentices and graduates that have come off the programme since 2012. 200 apprentices approximately on programme at the moment across 23 locations, working on 20 different apprenticeship standards. And this year we're about to recruit another 60 to add to that. Some of the entry requirements, which is quite important information. So all of our level 3 apprenticeships, we ask for 5 GCSEs, A star to C or 5 to 9, depending on when you did GCSEs. And you must have English and maths and science in there. Level 6 degree apprenticeships, we ask for 3 A levels, grade B or above. And level 7, we ask for a 2-1 in a related degree. So it gives you an idea of those. We've won many awards. Our apprenticeship programs have won many awards, including National Transport Awards, the national awards that the government do for apprenticeships, the BAME Apprenticeship Awards, and Women in Rail as well. So very proud of that. Why rail? So there's a number of reasons here that you might consider it. So unlike most industries at the moment, the government is investing in the railways. It is investing heavily in the railways. It gives you, it's one of those few careers that, unlike things like manufacturing, where you might get an up and down in supply of work, particularly in our services industry, the career is there and it is there for as long as you want it usually. So there's very few industries that you can say that. There's lots of new technology coming into the sector, and obviously this drive to make transport more sustainable is going to be absolutely key to our future, and obviously rail is a big part of that. Workforce development as well, so we're trying to make our workforce more diverse, and these programs are key to that. And then obviously growing your career. We have lots of apprentices that leave the scheme, then go on to be promoted into further technical roles or leadership roles as appropriate. Excellent. So has anyone got any questions? Okay, thank you.